So for this event, we're taking a quick trip out of Bangkok to Bangsaen.
In 2018, Bangsaen 21 became Thailand's first event to be certified by World Athletics and second in ASEAN to win the certification after Singapore. So it's been going on for a while now and considered a bit more serious compared to the amazing Thailand one in Bangkok.
So Bangsaen's a relatively popular destination during the holiday season because of the beach, which should make for a picturesque run. But for now, we're going to go and pick up the bibs. So let's go.
Did you literally just buy those shoes?
Here we are. So we're going to the hotel now. It's where they hold the bib picking up. And you can see how busy parking is.
You could tell straight away how much thought they had put into the organization, making sure all the information was available, making as much of the process as streamlined as possible, and the experience of running it over the years was clear to see.
This seems really proper.
And then you get given this wristband that's essentially your entry pass to the event that you must wear until the next day. The bib and shirt collection was quick and painless, and you could choose between a t-shirt and a vest, and I went for the paper-thin running vest because I've not actually worn one before. And you can see that they're very accommodating in terms of sizes on offer. And then you have the chip checking inside the bib so they can track you with these sensors underground throughout the run, and you can get your official timing later. This was followed by the merch area for your last minute running equipment, and some not so running related items.
Oh, getting a bit much in there. Let's go find something to eat. This is what we're going to be looking at for tomorrow.
Bangsaen's a pretty small town, so it didn't have far to go.
So I'm here at a Thai restaurant called Prom. Maybe a bit unconventional for a mini carb loading, but let's see how it goes.
If you're looking for seafood, this place has definitely got you covered.
Yeah, I'm not sure what people have before a run, but I think this is pretty unconventional as they go.
We've gone for a pad thai with shrimp and orsawan, which is fried oysters with omelette paste, and all of the portions here are pretty big. It didn't last very long.
That was really good, and I think that should keep us going until tomorrow. So let's go get checked into our hotel.
But before every event, there's always one obligatory pit stop.
The all-important breakfast.
When I said hotel, it's really one of the last small studio rooms that I could find vaguely near the starting line because the accommodations get booked up really fast.
So in terms of the hall that you get, it's actually very bare bones at Bangsaen. So as soon as you enter, they get you to wear this wristband, which you must wear for the duration. So wear it overnight and then show them. And they give you all the stuff in a plastic bag that you should reuse, of course. Then you get your bib, and then you get your running top. Then you get the 2 Super Sports vouchers, which is a sports retailer in Thailand. And that's about it. So I eat a lot at lunch the day before because given the 4 a.m. start, I need to be up by 2 a.m. to have something like 2 hours before the run, which means I need to be in bed by around 7 to 7:30 p.m. to get about 7 hours of sleep, which is just a bit of rest really. And I find it very uncomfortable to eat and sleep straight away, so I might as well just have a big meal now and go to bed not feeling too full.
And the reality of running in these parts is you can't really escape the early mornings, but there's still some chocolate and butter bun and a banana to look forward to. And I really wasn't expecting to see what I saw at 3:45 in the morning.
So I had this idea that Bangsaen would be peaceful and quiet on the night before a half marathon. Yeah, obviously not true. So I booked this run pretty late and all the accommodation near the starting line had already been booked up. And then I found this place about 3 kilometers away from the starting line, and I had this bright idea. I thought, yeah, why not just jog over? Use that as a warm-up at the same time. I think that turned out to be a bit of a mistake. Or maybe not.
There's nothing quite like being caught making excuses live on camera, so I had no choice but to start putting the work in.
So, all the people are not running directly by the beach, but on the road next to it. Something to look forward to after, maybe?
เสื้อที่แบบแต่งตัวเขาเคลียร์รองเท้าสวยมากมองจากเวทีไปอะค่ะเขาโดนไฟเนี่ยจะแบบช่วงแขนขาตรงมันจะแบบบิด
And aren't you supposed to get massages after the run as opposed to before? And it's not just that there are serious runners about. They won't even let you enter the starting block that you weren't originally assigned to. And if you come too late, they'll disqualify you. So make sure that you enter your details right when you sign up and don't be late to the start.
5k. Look at that. It said that there's 13,000 runners for this event. Feels a lot more than that. Coming up to halfway. Not far to go. Turnaround point. See people. It's never ending. 15k. Nearing the end now. One last fish.
At the end, you'll get a finisher's medal, and a first for this event, I think, is a finisher's towel, and then the food tickets to what you'll see later.
Right, food. I thought I finished early. Nowhere near.
But before that, though,
So you get given these sleeves for your foot in.
I was really looking forward to this at the amazing Thailand run in Bangkok, but I only had to wait about a month to finally get in one.
Mission accomplished. It's really bloody cold though. Really don't think you can stay in here for that long.
And with that out of the way, it was finally time to explore what else this event was known for.
Okay, so we got 2 food options, a cold drink, 2 cold drinks, some protein thing, ice cream, and a cola, glutinous rice in bamboo.
It's time to go on the hunt.
It's way too healthy. Cup noodles. Here's all the good stuff. Let's start from the front.
I have absolutely no idea what the post-run food is like at running events outside of Thailand, but it's quite typical to have this much here, and I think Bangsaen takes the crown in terms of quantity and variety on offer. In the end, I went back to the very first stall with the rolled rice noodles because it's not something that I have very often, and you could even season it however you like with the condiments, as if you were having it at a typical food store.
Really should have brought a plastic bag, but I guess we'll start with the main course, which is pana kuai tap, some grilled chicken with sticky rice, and a coconut water. And then we'll go back for round 2 in a bit.
And then it was time to go back for more.
Oh, you got 2. Disaster! Completely missed another section of food.
And if this looks familiar, it's because I even said that it was something to look out for on the day. And it must have been because of the tiredness or the number of people, and I completely forgot that there was this whole other section. So make sure you explore thoroughly because you only get 2 food tickets.
Actually, there's some better stuff here. Slightly different stuff.
As you can see, we're pretty spoiled for choice here, so let me know how it is where you run because I'm always happy to travel to try things out. With that, we've assembled our final collection.
So for the second hall, we've got some protein, coffee, and ice cream, and sticky rice in bamboo.
And then there wasn't much else to do really, but to enjoy the cozy seaside vibes of Bangsaen along with the other runners.
So another event down. Came into it without any expectations really, but turned out to be really good. Thoroughly recommend anyone wanting to run in Thailand to come and give this a shot. It's always held at the end of the year, and there are 2 events. There's the 42 and the 21. We just start off with the 21. You get to see, a lot of the town, nice quiet track, but loads of people. and afterwards it's really well organized. No surprise really. That's the longest running event in Thailand. That's it for now in terms of running in Thailand. I think I'll have to go further afield if I want to join another event. But see you at the next run.